if the baby doesn't cooperate when performing X-ray test. The unification of infants with the X-ray Bucky stand is the same as the perspective. However, the position fixing plate 7 in the elastic tight band may not be buckled, so that the accompanying person stands at the other end of the bottom sitting 18 and the infant is face to face. And the accompanying hands are caught from both sides of the carrier frame, one on cooperative infant and young children's arms, so that the baby's chest and abdomen cling to the plexiglass partition 3 and the left and right side walls 4 under the trapezoidal trough, immediately after the center line is taken. If it is only used for the baby's chest standing or photographic, a piece of lead is placed between the waist of the infant and the lower edge of the plexiglass body platen 7 to protect the gonads of the infant. When the collaborator takes a photo with the X-ray Bucky stand, the cassette is placed in the card slot 9 and the card slot on the back of the cassette 2, and after the rack 1 is rotated to the desired height. The 0-degree pair of the angle disc 15 is observed. After the quasi-column angle iron pointer 16 is placed, the position can be taken. According to the adult cervical vertebra and the head and face standing piece, the upper groove of the card on the back of the cassette 2 can be hanged on the upper edge of the plexiglass separator 3.